A solid washing routine is an essential part of keeping corrosion at bay and your paint in top condition. Let SCA cover all your bases with a vehicle wash for every level of grime. When a basic car wash is all you need for a quick clean, the SCA Value Car Wash can't be beaten for economy. Packaged in 2.5-litre bottles, it presents high sudsing properties and a streak-free finish, which is safe for most automotive paints. For a high suds wash to lift everyday dust and road grime, the 1.25-litre SCA Car Wash Concentrate fits the bill perfectly. Just dilute a splash of this in a bucket of water and you have a pH-neutral wash which leaves a streak-free finish and won't strip your wax. It's safe to use on glass, aluminium, chrome and all painted surfaces. If you'd like to maintain your wax coating every wash, grab the SCA Wash and Wax Concentrate, also in a 1.25-litre bottle. This product features the same pH-neutral and high suds formula as the SCA Car Wash, with added wax compound and rust inhibitors. It delivers extra shine and protection in one step. In cases where the grime is tougher or conditions are more extreme, you'll want to grab the heavy-duty Super Wash. This highly concentrated product is available in 5 or 20-litre bottles, great for cleaning the salt off boats and jet skis, mud off your dirt bike, or the heavy grime buildup on your truck or caravan. Finally, in a 10-litre concentrate, there's SCA's heavy-duty Truck Wash. Like the Super Wash, this stuff is formulated to bust the toughest grime, soot, bug splatters, and oil films. On top of its powerful cleaning properties, the Truck Wash leaves behind a barrier to inhibit rust and corrosion, making it an excellent long-term solution to maintain the exterior of well-loved machinery. So check out the full SCA vehicle wash range today and stock your garage shelves with a product for every occasion.